All right, guys, so you made it to the rubric. You've learned everything you can about C.R.A.A.P, and what you're going to do now is you're going to use the rubric in this step to help you evaluate a website down below. So this rubric's pretty straightforward: 0, 1, 2, and 3. All the information you got from these different categories are summarized in the rubric. So for example, currency. You're going to read through the rubric over here, and a 3 score is when the site was created, revised, or updated within the last year. All links on the site work, and it has sources that are recent and still true. So we're going to be looking for that stuff on the next step down below. Same thing for authority, accuracy, purpose, relevance. You're going to be reading a 3 and you're looking for that. If it doesn't get to a 3, you're going to score what it gets by reading through this. So a 0 would be the worst score, a 3 would be the best score for a website, and you have the in-betweens with a 1 and a 2. You're going to end up grading the website over here with how many points it got for its currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. So you're going to start with currency, and you're going to look on the website for when it was created, when it was last revised or updated, and you're going to then explain what you learned over here in this step. So in the next step, I'm going to give you a little bit more of a walkthrough of what to do, but basically all I want you to do for this step is read through this rubric and then move on to the next step.